Alright, baby, we got fish on. Fish on. It is late.
Oh, you're drying.
Alright, guys. We're heading out to the coast right now. Say hi. You see the fans, Amaris? Yeah? We made it, guys. You're way up there. Go, June.
This box suitcase is mine. If that suitcase breaks, don't blame me.
Don't break it.
I'm straightening. You want me to go one step by step?
What's up, guys? We made it to the hotel.
I cleaned this bed.
Say hi, Dylan.
No, I cleaned this bed. No, I don't know which bed clean.
Say hi. Which bed are you claiming, Jim?
No idea.
Maris, which one are you claiming? Say hi. Love you.
No, I'm thinking about claiming this one. This one right here.
Let's go look outside.
I'm claiming this. I'm claiming this right bed. It's always.
Dylan. Say hi. She's all excited.
I know.
Say hi, Dylan. Hey. They're all excited. Yeah, you made a good choice. Corpus Christi, Texas, baby. Oh, that's nice. That's here.
Do you think this water's drinkable?
No.
Clean your water purifier. Can we get on the grass?
Yeah. Hey, look, dude. Hey, look. Look, man.
Oh, and here he's standing up.
We forgot her.
Oh my god. Where's your sister, Bunny? I'm begging her.
Say hi, Amaris.
I can't touch you one time. Come on, here, I'll help you. I'll help you.
Say hi to them. Say hi.
What do you want? Nothing you want to say? The street is a fraction point.
Going down, alright. Mary, come on, Mary.